Okay, now this is the program. Question is what? Check whether the product of digits at even place is divisible by the sum of digits at odd place of the number. Huh. Whether the product of digits at even place is divisible by the sum of the digit at the odd places. Okay, means first of all in any number we have to check that which digit is coming on the even place and which digit is coming on the odd place, right? So here see the example. If example is 2175, okay, or any other example also we can take, like this 4322. Okay, see that 4321. So in that, number at the even position means what? 3 and 1. So even position means this is the position 1, this is position 2, this is position 3, this is position 4. So position 2 and the position 4 are the even number, right? So product of the even position, so means 3 multiplied by 1 equals to 3. Okay, right? Then, okay, and then sum of the odd number, odd position is what? 4 and 2 is the odd position. Okay, so here 4 plus 2 will give you 6. Okay, and then what is written? Divisible by. Okay, so then it is divisible now. So it will return you true. Okay, same 2157. So 2 and 7 are the 7, 1 multiplied by 7 is the 7, and 7 divisible by 7 is the 0. So it should return you true. Okay, so any example we can take over here like these number. So see here what I have done. Here I'm taking the input by using the method call. Sorry, by using the scanner. That's why I'm using import java.util and enter any number. Next int. Here some variables I have taken. Remainder 0, count this. We know the use of it. Now here I'm taking the remainder, means separating the digit. Okay. Now after separating the digit here, I'm reversing them. Okay, again reverse. Okay, I'm reversing the digit. This is a palindrome program only. Okay, but here I have used the count. Why I have used the count? That what is the length of the program? What is the length of the digit that I want to know? What is the length of the number? Sorry, huh? What is the length of the number? If length is the 4, then this count value will be 4. If length is 3, then count value will be 3. Now, after it, here, this is just simply printing. Because I want to show you the print of that, and this emojis is there. And the reverse number I want to print, and how many time loop is executed, that also I am printing. If you want to print, then print. If you don't want to print, then you can do the comment on that. Then why I did it, because I want to check that how many time I have to execute the loop. See till how many loop variable how many digits I'm having, till there only I have to execute the loop. That's why I'm executing this loop till the count. Okay, and then if see that I mode by 2 means even position. If I mod by 2 even position, then this remainder value is going to be multiplied. Okay, if I is not divided by 2, it means odd position, then sum. Okay, so here I'm extracting the digits. Here I can use the while program also, but while loop also, but all the program I have shown you by the while. That's why I have used over here this for loop. It's each and every program we can do by any type of the loop. Okay, but we have to take we have to take in our mind that what the updation we are doing. Same code I can write in the while loop also. Okay, here I'm writing with the I loop. You can convert that. So if the remainder position is even, then multiplication. If remainder position is odd, then we are doing addition. If I'm taking the example 4, 3, 2, 1, then the 1. Okay, so it will be there. Then by that I'm getting this next n number. No need to explain it again. Now the product of the number. Okay, this is the product of the number. Again, I'm taking the print sum and the product. If you don't want to print it, no need to print it. Why I printed it? After each block, we will get what is the program is going on, what the execution is coming for that. Okay, so you can comment this also. Now, our important part of the program, if this product is divisible by the sum, then it will return you true, otherwise it will return you false. So here I'm commenting this statement. If you don't want to print them, then this is the emojis, so it will display it show good. Now I'm compiling the program. Then here enter your number 4321. False. It is wrong. Okay, I'm giving another number. 4321 is wrong. Okay, product is divisible. 2157. 2157 true. Okay, 2157 will be true because the product is divisible by sum. So here in this example, see that this product is divisible by this sum. So it will give you true. And here this product 3 will not be divisible by the sum. So it will give you false. Okay.